Absolutely impressed. And again, this by far is one of the best 360 cap constructions that I've seen in 2025. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to make sure you do with this unit is cut the lace off. Now I just want to start off by saying the cap construction is excellent. Chef's kiss, they did an excellent job. Even where they had the line up to cut at, it was perfectly fitting for my head. I also want to compliment how they adjusted or put the adjustable strap on this unit. They put it at the right width so that therefore it is very secure. So this unit has absolutely no glue on it. It has no tape, no nothing, and it's very glueless. Like, look at that. So I can honestly say, as a 360 unit with that little strap in the back, the little invisible straps, this one might be one of the best ones on the market. Let's just keep going. The back adjusted, the ear tabs right here, they stay flat, but I want to have some extra security with this unit. Again, I am going to go ahead and do like a nice style with this unit just so I can show you guys all the dimensions of this unit. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and add some tape right here. I feel like all I need is tape. Let me tell you guys something. Adding a little tape has been such a lifesaver. You don't even have to go out of your way now to spray, glue, do all that extra stuff. I mean, a little spray never hurt nobody, but we try to keep it minimal AF. So I'm gonna go ahead and wipe this area off where I have makeup on because you want this surface area to be super clean. This will allow the tape to stay down much, much better. So I'm just gonna wipe it off just to get the tape to stay. So again, we're only adding the tape on the ear tab section. And we're gonna just do like 2 small pieces of tape. Keep it simple, guys. Keep it cutesy, keep it demure. So let me go ahead with this one first. Which way should I turn this little piece of tape? Probably this way. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this little piece of tape kind of towards the edge. Let me see, am I not? Yeah, so we wanna put this like on the lace, but towards the very, very edge of the lace so that it will settle down. And what I usually like to do is take my hand and just press it into it. And like, it should lay down like that. So I'm gonna leave that one right there for now. Kind of let it curate in there. And then we're gonna go ahead and put it on the other side too. It's kind of like an angle thing, you gotta, right here. So we'll do it this way. So I'm telling y'all, this just makes things much, much better and much easier when styling the wig versus doing all this mess stuff. So we're gonna go as close we can as to the very edge of that lace. Let me see if I did that one too close to the edge. No, this one's fine. Oh no, it's a little too close to the edge. We're gonna pull this up and just pull it right here. There, perfect. I'm gonna tap that in there. And again, I just want this to have like a seamless lay down right here so that we have like a good little look. So this is the finished look that I came up with. I decided to kind of like do like a little bit of a bang situation, even though you guys know I did baby hairs on both sides of this, but just to give you guys like a little bit of an up style. I don't remember the last time I did an up style like this with like the bang, but I thought that this unit would be perfect for, you don't actually have to have the bang like directly in your face. You can pull it up to the side like that. As you guys can see, the hairline is absolutely beautiful on this unit. They did a great job on this one, and again, the cap construction is a nice cap construction. I did go ahead and do the best I could as far as putting the hair up in the back. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I feel like if I ever install this one, I wanted to wear this one out for like an event and do an up style, this would be the perfect base unit for that. This base is excellent. I would take this unit with me and go to a hairstylist that got the time to like pull it up into a nice clean ponytail, got some wax sticks and got all that type of stuff. I would go to somebody like that and have them install this for me because they would do a really good job. This base, this 360 base is absolutely stunning, guys. So I didn't stretch these baby hairs out on the side right here. All I did was just use a little bit of my spritz in the brush, and I just basically molded it down. Now when I did go ahead and put the headband on top of it, it did make sure that everything curated nicely. I've just been using spritz on this hair. I feel like that's all you need. You don't really need anything else. If you do have a wax stick is going to be excellent for the styling, but for this hair, I think I did a pretty good job, guys. It did nice little clean parting space right there. Gave us like a small little messy bun at the top, and everything just looks good. And again, like I said, I made sure I did baby hairs on both sides. So in case you don't want to do the bang and you just want to kind of throw this back up like that, you can. But you know, you gotta make it cutesy, make it demure. So I did add this little leave out right here. I did trim it a little bit just to give it a nice even look. But I think that this style came out really, really pretty, guys, overall. Let me know what you guys think about this one, guys. I will go ahead and leave the links down below for this unit if you're interested in purchasing this unit from RPGHair.com. Absolutely impressed. And again, this by far is one of the best 360 cap constructions that I've seen in 2025. Like this, they did an excellent job on this one. Fits very nice, and if you do want to wear this glueless, you can. I showed it to you guys. So let me know what you guys think. But I think she's giving what she's supposed to give. Very cutesy, very demure, and just so freaking bomb. Like, so cute, so cute, so cute. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.